Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HTC Desire 628 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So basically we can do it using two different ways and I will show you both because the first one is using a secret code and it will provide us only with the IMEI numbers, and the second is using the settings where we will also be able to check the serial number. So let's begin with a secret code. Let's open the dialer because this is the place where we'll enter it, and let's place the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with two different IMEI numbers which are connected with two different SIM slots. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another way, as I said, using the settings. So let's open them. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About and enter phone identity. And as you can see here, we've got also both IMEI numbers and under it the device serial number attached to it. So actually this is it. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your HTC Desire 628. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.